How to switch personal account on Instagram. Firstly, you have to install the Instagram app in your Android by the Play Store, then open the Instagram app in your Android. Please make sure that you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. This is the desktop page of the Instagram app. Now click on the profile icon of the Instagram. Now click on the three lines on the right of the corner. Now click on the right of the three lines. Now after scrolling, you see account privacy. When you private it, when your account is private, you can be switched to the personal account. So that's all. I hope that you have found great value in this video. Also, consider your request by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable contents in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck for the future. Thank you so much.